Hi there, I'm going to try and show you how you can make your very own rainbow for in your front window. It's one we made earlier. Let's get started. New, doesn't really matter how big. I probably want to print it out, so I'm going to go with A4. Let's go landscape and create that. I want to go down to my shape tools, which are hidden down here, and I'm going to pick the ellipse tool and drag it out from one corner, holding down shift to constrain it to a circle. And you want this about as large as will fit on the page. And then I'm just going to move it around till it's in the center of the thing. It's vanished because it's colored in white. So I'm going to click on this thing over here and select red. There we go, so we've got a red circle. So we can remember the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Rip off your great big itchy vest. Top tips. I just want to move it around a bit so the whole thing's on my page. Move it down a shade, just hitting the down arrow. I've not got the layer selected, which is why it's not moving. Right, it's fine. Right, now I need to make a second ellipse, but slightly smaller. So I'm going to duplicate this layer. Duplicate. I want to change the color to orange. Got all sorts of color palettes over here. Have a dig through, see what you like, pastel colors or whatever. Now I need to transform it to make it smaller. So I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, Scale, and I'm going to change it from 100% to 80%. And because this little chain link is clicked, it does the height and the width at the same time. So I've got red, orange. Going to duplicate the layer, and OK. Red, orange, yellow, rip off your, and now I can go to Edit, Transform, and this time I'm just going to use Again, which will do the same transformation. Again, red, orange, yellow, duplicate layer, duplicate layer, OK, yellow, green, OK, duplicate layer, OK, edit, transform, again, red, orange, green, blue, colour blue. Probably find the exact colour codes if we're so inclined. But blue, duplicate layer, OK, edit, transform, again, blue, indigo. What colour is indigo? Let's go somewhere in between blue and purple. Blue and violet. Duplicate layer. OK. I think violet's kind of purpley, isn't it? Purpley. Let's go with that one. And edit, transform, again. That's my violet one. Duplicate layer one last time. OK. Edit, transform, again. And we'll make this last one white. So we've got the middle bit. Click off there. Then I want to make one new last layer. and I'm going to use my marquee tool and just cut off the bottom of that. With white selected, get the paint bucket and fill that. Then I'm just going to use the move tool to move this down about halfway. Ta-da! And you've got a nice big space here for writing something friendly. Thank you for watching.